Making videos has never been easier than ever before. You used to need a fairly powerful computer just to run video editing software. But now you can record, edit and upload videos by just using your smartphone. Although editing on mobile isn't my typical preference due to my age, after making a handful of videos with Filmora Mobile, I can say that mobile video editing isn't as difficult as you might think. In a sense, the limitation of working on a smaller screen with more streamlined tools forces me to be a better storyteller than just relying on the usual filters and effects. Filmora Mobile is free to try and leaves a watermark at the lower right corner, and there are reasonable paid plans that allows you to use all the pro features. When you click on Filmora, this is the screen that you will see. Click on New Project and you have a gallery to select your video or photos. There is also stock images that you can use. I'm just going to select videos for this sample project. I'm going to select this first one, the second one and the third image. You can rearrange your clips by pressing on it and moving it around. Next, once you're ready, click on Import and your clips will be placed on the timeline. You can scroll through the timeline, and if you pinch it, you will actually zoom out, or you can also zoom in into the timeline. First, I'm going to show you how you can trim it, and you can trim it by going to the handles at the back or at the front of your video. You can click on Split or Split and Delete. Either delete the back portion or the front portion. And with this clip, I'll show you how I split this. Select the clip that I do not want and click on the trash icon to delete that section. I'm scrolling back to the front of the video and zooming out. Next, to add a transition, select between two clips and the transition menu will come up. There are a lot of transition. Many of them are pro-paid features, so you can scroll further for the free transition. I'm just going to select this one. Remember to click on the check mark on the right, otherwise the transition would not be saved. Next, I'll show you how to add text or titles. Click on the menu with the text and type in your text. Now if you select the text again, you can change the font. You can pinch it to make the text smaller as well. And even add things like background, shadow spacing as well as the border. And you can also align the text according whether it is centered to the left or to the right. I'm just going to remove the background. Okay, there are also templates, art and animation that you can use for your text as well. So there are a lot of choices if you want to make your titles more exciting or more hip. You can also add animation as well, so your text will animate into the video as it plays. Next, I'm going to add music. And by selecting the clip, I can also adjust the volume, having a fade in as well as a fade out. I can also adjust the volume for the whole track by choosing a lower volume. Next, I'll show you how to adjust a certain clip. You can adjust it for exposure, contrast, saturation, and etc. Here you can see that the clip is so much brighter now. Show you how to add a picture in picture. I'm just going to add this, select a video and place it on top of this video clip. And position it in the place that I want. Again, you can pinch and zoom to make this second video clip or the picture-in-picture smaller. And I'm going to show you how to put keyframes as well. And these keyframes works for any other elements, whether it's the clip or for your text or for any stickers as well. So first you put a keyframe by pressing on the diamond button, move to a different position and click on the diamond again and reposition your video, and your clip will move. Next, I'll show you how to change the speed. You can change the speed where you change the speed consistently. For example, 2x for this video clip. Now there is also an option for speed ramping. Let me just split the clip first. Click on curve and click on flash in, and remember to click on the check mark, otherwise it wouldn't save. For the back section of the clip, I will do the same, but this one I will put a flash out. Once you're done, you can export the video. Filmora is a paid program, so if you want to export for free, you can export it at 720p, up to 60 frames per second. You can also remove all the pro contents. Now, it will take a few moments to export your video. If it's 1080p or 4K, it will take a little bit longer. And once it's done, you can locate your file in the gallery. And here we have our video that we have created with Filmora Mobile. There are other features that I did not cover in this video, otherwise it would be too long. But you get the main idea how to use this software, and it is actually quite easy to use. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and it helps support my channel.